What exactly is affiliate marketing? Everything you should know about 2023. If you operate a website, write a blog, or are a social media influencer, affiliate marketing is a terrific way to augment your income. Affiliate marketers provide traffic to a company's website in exchange for a commission on any transactions made. You may practically earn money with minimal effort by simply placing tracked affiliate links into the text of your blog or website. To get started, all you need is a captive audience and an affiliate network that allows you to earn commissions on new leads or sales created when readers click on the links. Affiliate marketing is popular among businesses since it only pays if a specific action increases revenue. As a marketing affiliate, you may make quick money by promoting amazing products and services to your visitors. In this post, we will teach you everything you need to know about one of the best passive income ideas for 2023, affiliate marketing. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a sort of advertising in which a company pays third-party publishers to drive traffic or generate leads for its products and services. Website proprietors, bloggers, podcasters, and social media influencers are examples of affiliates. Affiliate marketers refer people to a company's website in exchange for a share of any sales made. They practically make money with no work by just placing monitored affiliate links into the text of their blog or website. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing harnesses the expertise of a range of persons for a more successful marketing plan while giving contributors a portion of the profit. It works by dividing the responsibility of product promotion and production between parties. 4 separate parties must be involved for this to work, namely sellers, the advertiser or affiliate, the customer, and the affiliate network. Affiliate marketing hinges on the use of affiliate links. These include sellers and brands. The seller can be a vendor, merchant, product maker, or retailer who has a product to sell. The seller does not have to actively participate in marketing but acts as the advertiser and offers affiliate marketing opportunities to third parties. Customers. Customers are those who buy products and services. They are usually online shoppers who are seeking product evaluations, pricing comparisons, product recommendations, or simply browsing. Affiliate marketers. Affiliates frequently have their own following that they reach out to via content, SEO, email, and social media. Bloggers, active social media influencers, niche content sites, personal website proprietors, product review sites, shopping sites, and podcasters are just a few examples. Affiliate network and affiliate marketing. Affiliate networks act as intermediaries. In general, these networks manage all tracking, reporting, and payment to affiliates, publishers, and can provide full-service or self-service program administration. When a consumer sees an advertisement banner or link that piques his or her attention, he or she clicks on a unique affiliate tracking link that is linked to the affiliate marketer. The affiliate network tracks the customer's click on the affiliate link, and a cookie is installed on their device to identify them as having been referred by an affiliate network. When affiliate marketers become members of a network, they gain access to hundreds, if not thousands, of affiliate marketing programs. Check out our article on the top 5 affiliate marketing and referral content resources for more information. The affiliate marketing industry in 2023. Affiliate marketing spending in the United States reached $8.2 billion US dollars by 2022, up from $5.4 billion recorded in 2017. Affiliate marketing total spending in 2023 is estimated to be around $10 billion, and this figure is expected to continue rising with global affiliate marketing spending expected to grow by over 10% every year. A whopping quarter accounts for retailers, while 16% of all digital media earnings come from affiliate marketing. When starting out in affiliate marketing, it is important to understand the difference between affiliate marketing programs and affiliate networks. An affiliate program is a platform that you set up yourself and invite marketers to join. These influencers make money when customers purchase through their links. The main advantages of starting an affiliate program are that you have control over almost everything, such as commission levels, affiliates, marketing materials, and the overall terms and conditions of the program. Additionally, affiliate programs are usually more affordable in the long term, as they don't have startup costs, and ongoing costs are often lower than with affiliate networks. An affiliate network, for its part, is an established platform with a database of members that enables marketers and companies to connect. It is an established program that requires affiliate marketers to register and make a commission from every click that results in a sale. The main advantages of joining an affiliate network are that it already has a well-established infrastructure, making it easier to reach out to influencers and persuade them to promote your brand. Furthermore, affiliate networks already have a reputation and may be studied and reviewed for testimonials to verify that the platform will meet your needs. How can affiliate marketing help my business? You can use affiliate marketing to gain access to multiple sources of traffic inside your networks, which can significantly increase your company's revenues. When things are promoted through a network where trust has been built through time, conversion rates increase. Building new funnels and trust with new clients just through internet advertising might take a long time to convert. Word of mouth is a very effective marketing tactic. An affiliate may promote your products and services through their networks, which increases conversion rates since the marketer's network trusts the marketer more than indirect web advertising strategies. Types of affiliate marketing in 2023. There are three main types of affiliate marketing: unattached affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing, and involved affiliate marketing. Unattached affiliate marketing. This is a type of advertising in which the affiliate has no ties to the product or service being promoted. They have no known related skills or expertise, and they do not serve as an authority on or make claims about its application. This is the simplest type of affiliate marketing. The affiliate's lack of attachment to the potential customer and product absolves it of the obligation to recommend or advise. Related affiliate marketing. Related affiliate marketing involves the promotion of a product or service by an affiliate who has a connection to the offering. In most cases, the link is between the affiliate's specialization and knowledge of the product or service. The affiliate has sufficient influence and skill to drive traffic, and her level of authority establishes them as a reliable source. However, the affiliate makes no promises concerning the use of the product or service. Involved affiliate marketing. This sort of marketing creates a stronger bond between the affiliate and the product or service being promoted. They are required to have used or are presently using the product and are confident that others will benefit from the experience. Their personal experiences function as advertisements, and they are reliable sources of information. On the other side, because they are making suggestions, any problems that arise as a result of the service may jeopardize their reputation. Advantages of affiliate marketing. Small firms frequently confront marketing and financial challenges. They may not even have a marketing department to promote their business. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost and efficient way for businesses to attract more people to their websites and increase their income. Additional advantages of adopting affiliate marketing as a business venture are: low initial investment. Affiliate marketing has the advantage of being a reasonably straightforward business to enter due to the lack of entry barriers. All you need to do is create an affiliate website, blog, or social media presence, select a compelling niche, and then choose a specific product to advertise. Next, you simply enroll in an affiliate marketing program of your choice and you're ready to start. Provides comfort and flexibility. Affiliate marketing allows you to create a variety of campaigns to promote your affiliate links on various affiliate websites and landing pages. To maximize your revenue, you can also use more than one affiliate marketing network. Another fantastic benefit is the ability to design your working environment as you see fit, whether at home, in the office, or wherever else you believe you can be productive. You can work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. This could be an additional source of income. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to make a passive income. According to Glassdoor, affiliate marketers earn an average of $78,141 a year, with salaries ranging from $60,000 to $103,000. You have the opportunity to make a lot of money whether you use affiliate marketing as a side hustle or as a full-time vocation, and all while advertising products or services that you know and like. Want to learn more about making money on the side? Check out our article on how to make money blogging. The drawbacks of affiliate marketing. While there are fewer downsides than positives, you should consider them as a business owner or content writer and build your affiliate marketing strategy properly to limit the likelihood of failure. Earnings are not assured, and competition is fierce. Your earnings are determined on your performance. You can earn more if you continually remain productive, but you can also lose revenue if your performance deteriorates. Working with affiliate programs can be difficult at times, and you must work consistently to gain the benefits. Additionally, an affiliate program's advantages are its ease of entry, low cost, and high profitability. It also implies that anyone may launch and win market share with a new marketing effort, and you will have no influence over the competitors. You have no control over affiliate marketing programs. The drawbacks of affiliate marketing. While there are fewer downsides than positives, you should consider them as a business owner or content writer and build your affiliate marketing strategy properly to limit the likelihood of failure. Earnings are not assured, and competition is fierce. Your earnings are determined on your performance. You can earn more if you continually remain productive, but you can also lose revenue if your performance deteriorates. Working with affiliate programs can be difficult at times, and you must work consistently to gain the benefits. Additionally, an affiliate program's advantages are its ease of entry, low cost, and high profitability. It also implies that anyone may launch and win market share with a new marketing effort, and you will have no influence over the competitors. The fact is that once a reference is made, a repeat client will never buy from you again. That customer will go immediately to the affiliate merchant to repeat the transaction. That is the nature of affiliate marketing. You promise to generate fresh leads on a regular basis. Unless you sell through affiliate networks that offer recurring commissions, you will not be able to build a decent customer base.